if you really want to make a change or a positive impact, you can start from where you are. So let me give you an example. If you have a caretaker or if you have a guard under your building, start from there. And unfortunately, in India, it's kind of strange. I don't know about other countries, but during festivals like Diwali, Christmas, and New Year and stuff, they think it's a right to kind of come and ask for Diwali and gifts and stuff like that. So if you can do something on your own, the caretakers in your building, the electricians, the guards, your own cooks, your own cleaners, your car cleaner, maybe your dhobi or something like that. I'm not saying tip them, I'm not saying incentivize them, I'm just saying a little act, maybe a day's food, maybe a jacket, maybe some shoes, maybe some, I don't know about money, because I don't know where the money is going to go, but probably some buying some books or giving them some books, or probably just kind of having a conversation with them every day, and as you do the little things, you're going to see the change in you and in those people and the world. Like some people say, it's lonely out there, we're not able to make friends, people don't talk to us in certain part of the country or the world, people are cold, people are not this, people are not that. But the point is, have you extended your own courtesies, have you extended your own time and your own expression to them that you're expecting from it, so think about it, and this is what there's a lovely quote I have here which says, what you give, you give to yourself. What you do not give, you give up. It's a beautiful quote, which makes a quote which makes a lot of sense to me, because to me, what comes across as a moral of the story is that if you already want to make the world a better place, it's always a good idea to explore the passion, and if you can connect that passion with a cause, and you can come forward and do this, it's going to really make a difference to the lives of a lot of people. And I think I've shared this before, and there was this one. Forum I was a part of many years back, the Voice of Unplugged or something like that. So a lot of people from all across the world, including doctors, psychologists, artists, TV personalities, authors, and the doers and movers and shakers of the world were there. And what we realized was that rather than kind of giving away money to children and beggars and stuff like that, it's a better idea to kind of buy stuff they're selling, because when you do that, you may be helping to kind of get them out of this thing about easy money by begging and stuff. So I hope that makes sense and stuff, because when you buy a pen, it may cost you just 10 bucks, and the child may earn maybe 2 rupees or 5 rupees or whatever, but at least they're not going to be begging, and it's not going to become a part of their childhood or whatever. And the same extended to elders and stuff like that. If you're going to kind of meet someone on the street and you're going to kind of connect with them, and like I've done this so many times, go to a temple and give away some clothes or some books or stuff like that. Or even during Corona, I think I kind of bought some biscuits, and I just bought a chocolate or some food and stuff. So it just helps. And the point is, if you see somebody asking you for food and stuff, that's where the concern lies, that people shouldn't be getting into the habit of begging. So identify a few people and start from where you are. It's not rocket science that you have to go some far away, or you have to travel to some other city or some place, and you have to not come up with any excuses. Just start from where you are, okay? So make a list of similar people with a like-minded outlook. Maybe some acquaintances you have. Maybe you can do this once a week or twice a week or whatever. Maybe you can just play music for them. Maybe you can just do some storytelling with them. You can do some book reading with them. Probably you can teach them how to make some equipment like we did for music, or you can teach them something about environment and nature. And all of that kind of accumulates to some good karma. What is karma? It's not so complicated, it's just good action and good deeds. So करते जाओ और आगे बढ़ते जाओ. पता नहीं वो क्या कोट है ना, कि नेकी करो और कुएं में डालो. So that's what it is. Keep doing and keep going. And somebody who's feeling down may feel great, and maybe the whole perception and idea that the world is not a amazing place may just change just because of your small gesture. So think about it and give it a shot. And wishing everybody all the very best, love and luck, and take care. Thank you so much for supporting me for this cause and coming forward. And I'm genuinely kind of not in a position to be very active in all the events and forums like that, because I got my own work to do as well, but I'm going to try and be there. So thank you for being patient with me and putting up with me and everything, and thank you so much for being so nice to me by sending me all these messages and checking up on my health and all that. I really appreciate it. So, love and luck. I'm Justine Kapani. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, justinekapani.im@gmail.com, Justine Kapani office at gmail.com. And I'm so looking forward to tomorrow. Finally, the day is here, okay? So, love and luck and have fun. And there was this line we all know. Be the change that you want to see in the world. We all know who the great leader was behind this. So, not kind of fantasizing and living narratives of leaders and stories and stuff like that. Make it a part of your own, function, and you'll see how beautiful the world is. Okay, so in case you're traveling by metro, do something for people in the metro station. So love and luck and take care. Have fun. Have a blast, and it's actually called finding your ikigai, finding your joy, finding your purpose, finding a meaning, finding a substance, actually multiplying happiness for a lot of people and stuff, because the world is all connected. If you're happy, they're happy. If they're happy, you are happy. Rest, you can't do anything about everybody else's problems. You can only try and make that change wherever you think you can, in whatever way you can. Okay, so love and luck and take care. Cheers, enjoy, and have fun and have a blast. Once again, wishing everybody a great week ahead. Bye bye.